Buongiorno, fellow travelers and aficionados of luxury train travel. Today, we have something truly enchanting to share with you: the iconic Venice Simplon-Orient-Express. But wait, there's more. We've delved deep into the archives to uncover the most unknown facts about this legendary train journey that will transport you to a bygone era. So, don your finest attire, and let's embark on a journey of elegance, romance, and intrigue. The Venice Simplon-Orient-Express. A glimpse of history. Our voyage commences with the Venice Simplon-Orient-Express, often referred to as the Orient Express. This train, steeped in history, has been transporting passengers in style since the late 19th century. It's a voyage that has captivated the imagination of writers, poets, and filmmakers for generations. The allure of the Orient Express lies not only in its luxurious interiors but also in its rich history of transporting royalty, spies, and celebrities across Europe. The Agatha Christie connection. Did you know that the Orient Express served as the backdrop for one of the most famous murder mysteries in literature? Agatha Christie's novel, Murder on the Orient Express, was inspired by her experiences on this very train. Her fictional detective, Hercule Poirot, solves a gripping murder mystery while journeying aboard the Orient Express. The Orient Express has forever etched its name in the annals of mystery fiction. The Art Deco interiors. Step inside the carriages of the Venice Simplon-Orient-Express, and you'll be transported back in time to the glamorous Art Deco era. The train's exquisite interiors have been lovingly restored to capture the elegance and opulence of the 1920s and 1930s. The attention to detail in the decor is truly a sight to behold. An international journey. The Venice Simplon-Orient-Express isn't just a train, it's an international odyssey. The journey typically begins in London and meanders through several European cities, including Paris, Venice, and Istanbul. Passengers can disembark and explore these enchanting destinations along the way. It's not just a train ride, it's a grand adventure. Culinary excellence. One of the hidden gems of the Orient Express is its culinary excellence. The train boasts gourmet dining experiences that rival some of the finest restaurants in the world. Talented chefs curate menus that showcase the flavors of each region the train traverses. Dining on the Orient Express is a culinary journey in itself. The train of many names. The Venice Simplon-Orient-Express is known by many names, reflecting its rich history and the various routes it has taken over the years. Some of its famous monikers include, the King of Trains, and, the Train of Kings. No matter the name, it's always been synonymous with luxury. The Piano Bar Car. One of the most charming aspects of the Orient Express is its piano bar car, where passengers can enjoy live music and sip on cocktails while gazing out at the picturesque landscapes. It's a place where strangers become friends, and stories are shared over a glass of champagne. The camaraderie on board is truly special. The Venice Simplon-Orient-Express today. The Venice Simplon-Orient-Express isn't just a relic of the past. It's very much a thriving luxury travel experience today. It continues to enchant travelers who seek a taste of old-world glamour and romance. The train's disappearance. In a twist of history, during World War II, the Orient Express mysteriously disappeared. The train's carriages were hidden away in various European countries to protect them from wartime damage and looting. This intriguing disappearance only adds to the train's mystique. The Orient Express has seen its share of intrigue on and off the tracks. Pop culture icon. The Orient Express has left an indelible mark on popular culture. Beyond Agatha Christie's famous novel, it has appeared in numerous films, TV shows, and books. Its elegant carriages, glamorous passengers, and the romantic allure of its journey have made it a timeless icon. It's a symbol of luxury and intrigue that continues to captivate our imaginations. The original route to Constantinople. The Orient Express was originally designed to connect Paris to Constantinople, modern-day Istanbul, making it a bridge between Western and Eastern Europe. It was a testament to the idea of unity and cultural exchange. The train played a pivotal role in fostering connections between different cultures. A luxurious tradition. Throughout its history, the Venice Simplon-Orient-Express has maintained a tradition of luxury and excellence. Passengers are treated to top-notch service, including the meticulous preparation of cabins and impeccable attention to detail. It's a journey where luxury meets nostalgia. The Northern Belle. The Venice Simplon-Orient-Express has a sister train, the Northern Belle, which offers equally luxurious journeys through the British countryside. It's a delightful alternative for those who wish to experience the elegance of the Orient Express closer to home. The spirit of the Orient Express extends beyond continental Europe. The ultimate romantic escape. For couples seeking a romantic escape, the Orient Express is a dream come true. It's a favorite choice for honeymooners and those celebrating anniversaries. The train's intimate ambiance and stunning landscapes provide the perfect backdrop for romance. The legendary bar car. One of the most beloved features of the Orient Express is its legendary bar car. This elegant and well-stocked bar car is a hub of social activity, where passengers gather to enjoy cocktails, fine wines, and engaging conversations as they watch the world pass by. It's where memories are made and friendships blossom. The Venice Simplon-Orient-Express Orchestra. To enhance the romantic ambiance on board, the Orient Express has its own orchestra. The live music adds a touch of sophistication to the journey, serenading passengers with classic melodies and creating an enchanting atmosphere. It's a symphony of elegance that accompanies your voyage. Exclusive experiences. The Orient Express offers exclusive experiences that go beyond the ordinary. Passengers can partake in activities such as wine tastings, cooking classes, and even private tours of the train's historical carriages, where they can immerse themselves in the train's rich heritage. It's an opportunity to connect with the train's legacy. The timeless appeal. What makes the Venice Simplon-Orient-Express truly remarkable is its timeless appeal. It continues to attract travelers from all over the world, transporting them to an era of elegance, glamour, and adventure. The allure of the Orient Express endures through the ages. It's as if the Orient Express carries its own secrets across the continent. Preservation efforts. The preservation of the Orient Express and its historical carriages is a labor of love. Teams of dedicated craftsmen and artisans work tirelessly to restore and maintain the train's elegance and authenticity. Every detail, from the polished brass fixtures to the sumptuous upholstery, is carefully considered. It's a tribute to the enduring legacy of this iconic train. The reimagined routes. In recent years, the Orient Express has introduced new routes, expanding its journey options. From a journey through the Scottish Highlands to an exploration of the beautiful Balkans, these reimagined routes offer passengers fresh perspectives and captivating landscapes. The Orient Express continues to evolve while preserving its timeless charm. Celebrities on board. Throughout its history, the Orient Express has welcomed its fair share of celebrities, from actors and musicians to royalty and politicians. It's a train that transcends social boundaries, where passengers from all walks of life come together for an unforgettable experience. It's where the world's luminaries have shared a journey. The luxury of slowing down. In our fast-paced world, the Orient Express offers the luxury of slowing down and savoring every moment. The unhurried pace of the journey allows passengers to disconnect from their busy lives, unwind, and rediscover the art of leisurely travel. Film and television appearances. The allure of the Orient Express has not been limited to books and novels. It has made memorable appearances in numerous films and television series. From classic adaptations to modern interpretations, the train's presence on screen continues to captivate audiences. The Orient Express is a star in its own right. The romance of sleeper cabins. One of the most romantic aspects of the Orient Express is the private sleeper cabins. These cozy and beautifully appointed cabins provide a sense of intimacy and privacy for passengers. It's where dreams are dreamt and love stories are kindled. The Orient Express offers a unique kind of romantic escapism. The allure of train whistles. There's something undeniably romantic about the sound of a train whistle echoing through the night. On the Orient Express, the mournful yet melodious wail of the whistle is a signature part of the journey, evoking a sense of adventure and anticipation. It's a reminder that every journey begins with a call to adventure. A journey beyond borders. The Venice Simplon-Orient-Express is more than just a train journey, it's a voyage through history and culture. As it travels through multiple countries and landscapes, it offers passengers a unique perspective on the diversity and interconnectedness of Europe. The Orient Express is a symbol of unity and shared experiences. And there you have it, a final exploration of the Venice Simplon-Orient-Express, celebrating its fashion, its role in entertainment, and the timeless allure of train travel. If you're as entranced by the magic of this iconic journey as we are, please express your admiration by liking this video, subscribing for more captivating tales of travel, and sharing it with fellow adventurers. Until our next voyage on the tracks of elegance, nostalgia, and endless romance, may your journeys be filled with unforgettable moments and the sweetest of memories. This is Your Name, signing off from the Venice Simplon-Orient-Express. Bon voyage, everyone. Locomotive.